Well, the first public alarm system in South Africa aimed at bridging the gap between households and the police sector will soon be launched across the country.
Memeza Crime Prevention, NPO, a non-governmental organization that fights crime in cooperation with the police, donated 2,000 personal and house alarms.
Let's test it and see if she can do it.
The John Robbie Show on Talk Radio 702.
All right, the story in the news about the personal alarm system that's been given out in Diepsloot. On the line, warrant officer at the police, Daniel Mavimbela, joins us.
We were issuing this personal alarm device to members of the community, and first and foremost, we were targeting people like your CPF members, community patrollers, and victims of crime.
Right. How does it work?
It's a simple device, very portable. It has a safety pin attached on the side, and also the pin is attached to a string so that a potential victim is under siege can simply detach the string from the device. It
makes a hell of a noise, basically.
That's correct, John.
Okay, and is this, I mean, who's come up with this? Is this a partnership, Daniel?
Yeah, that's correct. It comes as a result of our partnership with Memeza, which is an NPO based in Pretoria. They have volunteered to issue these 2,000 devices for free.
Okay.
We are here to form partnership with you, as well as people from Memeza.
We are only at the moment able to give you as girls because we always feel that you are the most vulnerable.
Today we are here to help you in order to help also our police as we are fighting crime together.
We are very thankful really to Memeza, and what I can as well say is to say that as a school, crime out there is obviously affecting us. We have dealt in the past few weeks with issues that relate to crime and so on. We have cases where children are unable to come to school because of certain intimidation from boys out there. And we are very happy that you now have this particular kind of, gadget to really deal with the issue.
The boys, we will also go look out for money to come give you Memeza science.
You know, crime does not, see gender. Our boys as well, they are just as vulnerable.
When the Nyoba boys, they want to take my money, I bring it, then the police come.
Using the power of the witness, that definitely somebody is going to see, somebody is going to hear. Now it's no longer the criminal and there will be victim, there will be witnesses to witness what is happening. It's a crime deterrent. The more we distribute it, the more the criminals will get to know that now there's a possibility that that woman has something to defend herself with. She's empowered, that girl is empowered, and if you touch her, she will scream and you will be seen and you'll be caught. So it's a crime deterrent at a community level.
I want to thank you for coming to the school and thinking of the learners of the Alvarado Park, Freedom Park, so that wherever they live, and hopefully they will be able to use this gadget. Bullying is on the rise, and if that can be used for bullying at school and even outside.
You only pull out this trigger. When you are in,
and it goes off, the next door neighbor or whoever is passing on the street will be alerted to the noise and will call the police.